If you've ever needed to bring your data from Google Sheets into Monday.com, this tutorial will show you how to do it quickly, efficiently, and with total confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import your spreadsheet into Monday.com, whether you want a simple snapshot or a seamlessly synced, continually updated board. Let's dive right in and get your information right where you need it. To start, head over to your Monday.com workspace. Up at the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Just a little avatar or your initials. Go ahead and click that, then select Import Data from the drop-down menu. This is Monday.com's gateway for bringing information from other platforms directly into your boards. Once you're in the Import menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on Google Sheets. This is the cornerstone of today's process, making it super easy to transfer all your spreadsheet details. Next, Monday.com will prompt you to connect your Google account. This step is crucial. It's how Monday.com gets permission to access your files in Google Drive. Click through the prompts, and don't worry if you need to sign in or grant access. Both platforms are secure and designed to protect your information. Think of it like introducing two trusted colleagues so they can work more smoothly together. After you've connected, you'll see a list of your available spreadsheets. Pick the one you need. It's totally fine to take an extra moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct file. Now comes the customization part, which gives Monday.com its unique power. You'll see an option to Let's customize your new board. This is where you shape exactly how your imported data will look and function. The first thing you'll do is map the first row from your Google Sheet. This is important because the first row usually contains your column headers, the labels for each type of data. Tell Monday.com which row to use, so it can create clear, meaningful columns on your new board. This is like setting up your toolbox in a way that every tool is labeled and easy to find. After that, you'll choose which column should serve as the item name. This will be the primary identifier for each row in your Monday.com board. For example, if you're importing a list of projects, you might use the project title column as your item name. This helps everyone instantly recognize what each row is about. Then, as you go through the other columns, set the type for each one: text, status, numbers, or dates. Matching the right data type is key. For example, a column with completion dates should not be set as plain text. It's a bit like choosing specific containers for different ingredients in your kitchen, so nothing gets mixed up. Once you've reviewed your choices, click Create Board. Now, your data will be instantly brought into a brand new Monday.com workspace. This might take a few moments depending on your dataset size, so don't stress if it pauses for a second. It's just Monday.com doing the heavy lifting in the background. But what if you're working with really large data sets, or you want your data to sync live so updates show up automatically? There's an alternative: the Data Importer app. Head to any Monday.com board, click Add View, then Apps, and search for Data Importer. Install it, open the app, and connect your Google account as before. Paste in the URL of your Google Sheet and specify which tab or sheet you want to bring in. The app lets you customize your board just like the standard import. But here's the kicker. You can press Run to start the import, and even schedule automatic imports if your sheet keeps changing. Just keep in mind, some syncing features may require a paid plan, and there you have it. You now know not only how to import your Google Sheets data into Monday.com, but also how to tailor it so it fits your workflow perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you might have below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Good luck with your next import, and see you in the next video.